like Chuck E. Cheese almost. Anyway, we got a pizza, some chicken tenders, and a pitcher of pop for $30. So it's a little pricier, I think, than Chuck E. Cheese. But here's all the cool games. We got basketball, everything that you can collect with tickets. We're gonna go out here and show you the rides. Just going down these slides. This is a little poster for little kids. And they take tickets to ride the rides unless you have the wristband. But this, you have to be shorter than 48 inches for this. This is probably every kid's first roller coaster. This is one of my favorite parts, the little kids riding go-karts. You have to be under a certain height to get in that. Alrighty, so this is one of the carts that I want to say middle-sized kids, or you can ride with a parent on this one to go faster. So that's fun. You have to be a certain height or ride with a parent on it. I think this track is a little bit bigger than the other one, but I like the other one better. Let's go watch the other cars. These are really cool. How fast they're going. I love this turn right here. And word to the wise, if you ever come here, just hold the gas button the whole time. You don't need to use the brake until they stop you. And here's that medium part or medium side that I said was. Looks like everybody's in line for this one. We gotta have helmets. Oh, maybe not. But this one has a race clock board. Tells you how fast you were going. I like that. Pretty fancy. Oh, they do have helmets on.
Well, we're not the best vloggers in the world. We forgot to show you what the food looked like, but was it good?
Yeah, the tenders were really good. We want to do 3 of the 1 hour passes.
Mega Ride Plus?
Yeah. Alright, how much was it for 3 wristbands? We did the Mega Ride Plus wristbands. $116.28. I thought she said $130. I'm excited. Are you excited?
It's a 6-minute race.
I'm gonna beat ya.
Oh gosh, I'm really excited.
You better just start jumping. Get warm. It's kind of cold out, guys, and Colin didn't bring a jacket.
Yeah, trust me.
Yeah, I know, right?
Especially for your
Colin, you look. He said he'll help with helmets. That's what he said.
How about this one?
I'm sorry that was down a lot. I was trying to get you up. I lost my hat.
Alright. Number 9, keep it first place.
What'd you say, Mama?
I lost my hat thing.
Hat thing.
The thing that went on my head. Man, that was so fun. Oh wait, what number was I? I was 10. Oh, I was in last place.
into yours. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello,